Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. So, I did something different this time. I recorded this video live in the salon, so you will see me custom color these bundles. It came out so beautiful, as you guys can see right now. So, you're going to see me go through the process. So, let's get into today's video. Guys, even though I do color and all this stuff all the time, I'm not going to lie, I still be nervous. I don't think that would ever go away because the overall goal is I always want it to look good. So I still be nervous all the time. So what we're going to do right now, I'm about to mix the color. The first color, which is the blonde that I did, would just be 10 neutral and a 10 volume developer. And then we'll get to the the other part of the color. So okay, the color that I use is Soul Color Sync by Matrix, and we're going to pair that with the 10 volume developer by Matrix as well. This is only to deposit. So when you are depositing with the Matrix color, you always use the 10 volume. That is a deposit or lower. If you want to lift or highlight someone hair, then that's when you use the 20 or higher. I like to stay with the 20, and it's because I like to always keep the integrity of the hair. I personally believe, my personal opinion. Also, you guys, if you think something differently, then of course. But me as a professional, my personal opinion, and also doing hair for quite some time and coloring hair, I noticed to keep the integrity of the Black women hair that I have been doing, I like to stay with a 20 volume if I'm lifting and a 10 when I am depositing or lower. Now, due to the fact I'm doing it on bundles, I don't really measure, but when I am doing my clients' natural hair, then I measure. But due to the fact I'm doing it with bundles, I kind of eye it myself of what I think is the best measure rate to equal out the color. So I'm going to add some more just because I wanted just a little more volume. And now we're going to mix it with a mixer. As you guys know, this is the automatic. If you don't, I will link the video down below, but this is the automatic mixer that I got that I use to mix color and relaxer. And it makes it much easier. Okay. So just since I'm doing the ombre, which would be what this is ombre. As you can see, the top is totally different from the base, the middle and the base. So this will be considered ombre. So you want to start at the bottom and work your way up. And the reason why I have these pins up here, because I want it to be a guide for where I want the color to blend. Once again, like I said, you can be as neat or as messy as you want to be. And with this one, I'm going to make sure I apply it going up instead of going down because I don't want it to mush. Is that the word I want to look like? I want it to fade into each other. I don't want it to look like it's just like, I don't know. That's what I want it to look like. I want it to look like it's fading. So I need to get a table. I think that's another thing I'm gonna invest in. A table, like a color table to color. I don't know if that exists, but that's what I need. So I shampooed it, washed out the two in, but right in here, it wasn't, it didn't look like how it does over here. So it wasn't uniform. So I applied more color right here and let it sit. And what I will do is this is just water and I spray it. Make sure you get it completely wet, like almost to the point where it's dripping. And then you'll take a towel. This one, I've been using this the whole time. And then you'll just wipe that off. So I'm going to wipe the color to end off. Make sure you don't have anything on your gloves because you don't want to transfer the color in the wrong place and it will mess up the whole look. Remember, this is created by a person. It's not created by a machine, so it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to look damn good. Now that that is finished, what I will do, take a second coat of the Tin Neutral. I got a little bit left in here, right? So what I'm going to do is take this color one more time. I'm going to mix that all together. Uh, there we go. And see how this is turning out. Let's see if y'all can see. That is pretty. And this is what is wet, you know? That is pretty. So I'm going to take that and going to just apply it back on here. Put some in your hand. Like this is when it's not a right or wrong way to do this. Just take it and just apply it. Now I'm going to do eight WN, and then I'm gonna do 8 neutral. Dab of that. Not a lot. A little goes a long way. So mix these up. So I'm going to use my paintbrush and I'm about to distribute the color. Like I said, you don't have to be perfect. You want to start from the bottom and just work your way up. All right, so let me start off by saying I apologize. I noticed after editing this video that I lost the ending footage, so I am so sorry for that, you guys. But I hope you still enjoyed today's content because I wanted to put it out there because it's something new And this is something that I do provide at the salon, but I don't think I have posted a video to show you guys that this is a service that I have done plenty of times before, especially when I get my ladies that come in to get their hair sewed in. Some of them, well, it's starting to become more popular. More and more women are interested in getting their bundles uniquely done when it comes to the color other than just purchase it online. Now, I have a question for you guys. Is this something that you would be interested in doing, getting custom color bundles, or have you done this before? And if so, then please comment down below. I would be happy to hear your response. And I think that kind of wraps up today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video and spending some holiday time with me. And I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. Eat as much as you can and also take out time to share love and show love and receive love for this holiday. Remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you.